Okay, so I just recently got these two Stubby ratchets from TEKTON tools. They're both 90 tooth versions. The one in the background is a 3/8 inch Stubby, and the one in the front is going to be a 1/4 inch drive Stubby. Now these things are pretty cool. I really like them. I've been getting a few more TEKTON tools and I really like what I'm getting. Now the 1/4 inch drive is considered a 3-inch long, and they go by the working distance, which is from the end of the handle to the center of the square drive. And then the 3/8 inch that we have here in the back is considered a 4.5 inch long working distance. Again, from the end of the handle to the center of the center line of the square drive. Now, this is the 1/4 inch square drive. It's the number SRH11003. They've got that down at the base, the bottom of the ratchet. The overall length of the 1/4 inch square drive from end to end is 3.5 inches. The thickness of the head is going to be 0.385. The width across at the maximum is going to be 1 inch. The 3/8 drive ratchet is an SRH11104. The overall length from end to end is 5.1 inches. The thickness of the head is going to be 0.498 inches. And the maximum width across the head is 1.2 inches. And here's some information from the TEKTON website. And just showing some of the components of the ratchet head.